Jamaica. Yo. So, may I ask this? Is intense a demon in human form? And who do Jamaicans and the people globally, like influencers, business heads, politicians, CEOs, all really selling out to? Well, me do the work to get the answers. And really, people, the truth is strange because it's the truth. And truth is always being fought, attacked with propaganda and hidden. So when even a bit of it arises, it seems very strange to most. And who does all this? Well, a group that has agents in all countries, in all sectors. And the goal is to oppress, demoralize, control, enslave, and brainwash the masses, guiding mankind to a very regrettable end. In the music sector or industry, you have these new artists, and even all artists, but mainly with the new artists. Evil has increased from telling no man to swallow genitals, suck this, suck that, and behave like garbage, dress like trash, and walk naked as if self-promotion, as if them are self-promote to encourage lust and rape till them start degrade themselves in a sense that if they are not like this, then they'll be curbed with no one wanting them. Then on the other hand, is pure boss brain, kill, blood spill, shoot up, murder, murder, murder. Yeah, so it's basically like anthems of evil. Then you have chasing the so-called good life, getting the money, the cars, the women, and this is where it all pops loose. Because you're working whatever way only to end up to one conclusion. How much are you willing to sacrifice? And most just jump face first in night and take somebody else's life, or get them bottom stitch up, or get gangbanged by demons in human form to stay on top of things. And have the funds and all that. No, I take a look at an intense page, just passing it really, and his profile photo is one where he covers one eye with the Illuminati symbol. Then his name is Public Enemy Number One. I just hear these people's songs. I don't listen personally. Now this shows you, this guy sold his soul along with many other artists here in Jamaica. You will be surprised who and who is in it. Now, to state that you're Public Enemy Number One says to the general public that is me and you, the average people, are his enemy. No, this is deeper when you realize who these people really sold out to. You understand? Such a statement globally is profound. No, people say devils, satans, demons. The truth is, research point to the cursed creation before mankind, the jinns. They are not angels, or angels that fell. Angels don't have freedom of choice. Do the research. The main one, who is the master of this grand global deception, is called Iblis. He or they, the jinns, had freedom of choice before the creation of human beings, and are the second creation of after the angels them. Him rebel due to mankind being the ones to inherit the earth, to establish righteousness. Him say, how can a weak creation be given this task or this inheritance? Now, his race were given their chance and became the source of what we know as evil today, and even worse, in every facet. For his rebellion, he was cursed along with his kind, and he has to bear a trial till judgment, using his followers from his race and a few hungry belly of the humankind, who chose to be hybrids like this brother Intense here, but of a lower level, a slave if you might. As with many, no, over mankind course of existence, this guy caused our fall from paradise to earth, to lead in every generation to its end, except a few who are righteous. Now, it's our turn. These creatures our creation are made from smokeless flame. They reside here on earth but in another dimension, but can be interacted with due to magic and rituals and the abundance of evil energy being produced by we human beings, which they are attracted to and feed from. They can cause hallucinations, crop circle, outer body experience, possession for either evil or fame, and it costs only your blind servitude. And all you have to do is promote, promote, promote indecency, immorality, violence, lust, vanity, ignorance, all the while they are working to bring you and their slaves to a specific point, the Antichrist. They already tricked you with the God, the Haidal Baal, saying it's your creator. Mess with the revelations and are actively fighting the last portion. So, what we not gonna do? We not feel say a time for wake up now, people. We not gonna do some research. Cause all me I see is everybody want to go party, 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 party. There's a special set of them creation here who actually make for party. So are them a pull on it? Jamaica. Yo.